our schools across the country have just opened up for the new school year. In Mecklenburg County, students are going back to school. But here in the U.S. House, I am currently in the Early Childhood Education Committee. And we're talking about reading and math and the fact that some children are just not able to do that. Of course, we know that a lot of the students who are left behind are those who actually start off behind. But most of those kids are from low-income communities. Many of those kids don't have the resources in their classrooms. Many of the teachers don't have them. And yet we're talking about dismantling the Department of Education. We're also talking about cutting substantial amounts, millions of dollars from research for our teachers and programs in the schools. And so I think it's not only a discrepancy, but it's hippodam critical that we're here talking about that. And we have some witnesses who are trying to tell us today that that doesn't matter. And let me just say that we do know that depending upon sometimes where you live, the resources that you have in your communities, in your schools, those things do impact how well our children can learn. Now, one of my colleagues just said that the school system had $94,000 that they spent, and we still have children that can't read. But first of all, that's not enough damn money. That's number one that they're putting into these school systems. But I think it's just pretty awful that this Trump administration is talking about not only getting rid of the Department of Education, but who's going to care for the children who need the care and the support the most. Who's going to provide the resources for the teachers in these schools that they need the most. So this hearing is another hearing of I think just kind of badgering public education. Public education is how probably 85-90% of our students are going to get educated. A lot of those look like me, students of color, and we need to make sure we maintain our public schools, that we support our public schools. So many people are saying the schools have failed the children. Well, we have failed the schools, and we need to correct that. We need to provide the support, the financial support, support in terms of research for our teachers, the support for our students. We need to make sure that they are fed. You can't learn if you're not fed, if you come to school and you're hungry. So there are many things that really interact here. And so we're gonna hear what they've got to say today. But again, I think it's just pretty damn hypocritical, and we got to fix that and continue to let this administration know that what they are proposing to do is really going to wreck the lives of children in our communities. I'm Alma Adams. I represent the 12th District. I'm really concerned about what's going on in North Carolina, that we make sure that our schools are strong. If our schools are strong, our teachers have what they need, then our kids are going to be able to do what they need to do best.